We had the roaring 20s after the 1918 Spanish flu. I think we're going to have the roaring 20s after COVID-19.
Are we in a bubble? Is this going to recorrect in your mind? Or how should I think of it? You've lived through many of these cycles. Does this feel similar or does this feel different?
We may have some financial bubble here and there. But what feels different to me is the technology that's coming. When you look at 5G technology and its impact throughout industries and infrastructure, software, hardware, semiconductors, that is going to be huge. When you look at artificial intelligence affecting every form of life, the power of the cloud computing, and how that accelerates business models at a lower cost. What's happening in biotech, accentuated by the COVID response. This type of technology to me is very sustainable. It's not just what's new today. It's very evolutionary and at the same time, revolutionary in part, but more evolutionary. So I see technology expanding. Every major corporation for profit in one way or another is going to be a technology company. We live in a very digital, personal, virtual world, and we're just in the early stages of it. And that's why I think we see the political pressures we do see. I think it is causing gaps in income and it's polarizing, and we see it in our political environment. I think it's important that we take our breath on this and realize that a lot of this change was predictable, given what technology has done. We've gone through these changes in the past, printing press, the industrialization world. But today we're so interconnected. Knowledge is ubiquitous. All you have to do is get on a search engine. Interaction is virtual. There's no place to hide. So information today is coming through other sources, unfiltered, and that's giving rise to tensions. Technology I think, can solve this. And I think now technology is no more as much an opportunity as it is, in my view, a need to improve society. I'm an optimist about this. I love our environment. If we don't screw it up and overregulate it or get so divisive with each other that we lose sight of the goal, those are the challenge. They're human problems, not technology problems.